Today, we're adding a fun and dynamic transition, the circular vibe. This transition creates a cool circular reveal between clips, adding some flair to your edits. Let's get started. First, make sure you've got at least two clips in your timeline. Between the clips, you'll see a white square icon. Tap on it to open the transition menu. Now, head over to the Basic tab and from the list of options, select the Circle Transition. This transition starts from the center and wipes the scene away in a circular motion before revealing the next clip. Use the duration slider to control how quickly or slowly the circle expands. A shorter duration gives a faster reveal, while a longer duration makes the transition slower and more dramatic. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the check mark and you're done. You've added a stylish circular vibe transition to your video in just a few taps. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot editing tips.